Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, site access, and preferably Google Tag Manager. Create a GA4 property and add a web data stream. This captures page views and basic events by default. Once done, deploy the GA4 tag with GTM or paste the G tag. JS snippet into your header. Make sure to test in real time so you see immediate hits. This early verification saves hours later, because you'll know that data flows before you configure conversions or audiences. Now focus on the middle work, defining the events that matter. Identify key actions, form submit, checkout, outbound link clicks, and implement event tags with clear names and parameters. In GA4, mark the most important events as conversions so they show in reports and funnels. If you use GTM, build custom triggers and send parameters for value reporting. Always test with GTM Preview and GA4 Debug View. This ensures your event parameters and attribution behave as expected before you rely on them for finish by tailoring reports and integrations. Create audiences and user properties to segment behavior, adjust attribution windows, and link Google Ads and Search Console so conversions and acquisition align. Exporting to BigQuery gives raw data for advanced queries. Once done, review retention settings and event naming consistency. If metrics look wrong, first inspect tag firing in GTM Preview and network requests. Then verify cookie or consent layer blocks and remove any restrictive filters. That single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.